Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to send MagicBricks leads to Gmail automatically using Pabbly. So let's suppose I'm running a business and I'm collecting all my leads using MagicBricks. I want that whenever I receive a new lead, I should automatically send him a personalized mail. Doing this manually will consume a lot of my time, so I've completely automated this process. And to do this automation, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between MagicBricks and Gmail. With the help of Pabbly Connect, I am going to build this connection in such a manner that whenever I am going to receive a new lead from MagicBricks, I am automatically going to send them a personalized mail. Now if you want to learn the step-by-step process, then let me take you all to my screen. So here in this video, we are going to see how we can send the mail to all the leads which we have captured from MagicBricks, and for this we are simply going to create integration between MagicBricks and Gmail using Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com in your browser. Now before we sign into a Pabbly account, let me quickly take you towards Pabbly community. So you can join this Pabbly community to connect with business owners, experts and the Pabbly support team. You can share tips, ask questions and get quick solutions to your automation challenges. You can stay updated on latest features and collaborate with thousands of users who help and support each other every day. Now if you want to learn how you can join this community, then please check out the link given in the description. Let's move back towards Pabbly. After browsing this website, we need to sign into a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And here it has taken me towards this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders which I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow, and I need to select my workflow builder. We have this new beta, which is modern, faster and more flexible one, and then we have this classic, which is a stable and a familiar approach. I'm going to select this new beta, and then I'm going to name this workflow as send MagicBricks leads to Gmail automatically using Pabbly, and now I'm going to select my folder. These are the folders which have been created, and I'm going to select it as all automation and then click on create. Here workflow created successfully. As soon as I click on create, this box has appeared in front of me where I need to enter my trigger application. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Now here in this workflow, I want to send the mail to all the leads which I have received from MagicBricks, which means whenever I'm going to receive a new lead, I'm automatically going to send them the mail, which means whenever I'm going to receive a new lead, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger basically activates or triggers any workflow. Here in my trigger application, I will be taking MagicBricks, and then in my action application following this trigger application will be Gmail, with the help of which I will be sending the personalized mails. So in my trigger application, I'm going to take MagicBricks, and in my trigger event, I'm going to select it as new leads and then click on connect. So now I need to make connection between MagicBricks and Pabbly Connect, for which a webhook URL is provided to me, and this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my MagicBricks with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to follow the help desk given below and build this connection. So for that, MagicBricks does not has the provision to add this webhook URL from the user's interface. So over here in the help desk, it is written to automate lead capture, copy the above webhook URL and configure it in your MagicBricks account. Reach out to your account manager from MagicBricks. Your integration will be activated by the team within a week's time. Once they activate, the subscription leads will start coming to campaigns selected by you. So here I have already created this setup. I have already sent this webhook URL to my account manager. They have created this setup, and now I'm going to click on this capture webhook response, and you will see it will change to waiting for webhook response. And now I'm going to wait for my lead to be captured in this workflow. And here it is, we have received this response 4 seconds ago. The phone number is this. The name is new lead. Email address is newlead@pabblytutor.com. Now here, as soon as I have clicked on this capture webhook response, I have received this lead detail. And we can say the connection setup is working fine. So you simply have to send this webhook URL to your account manager in MagicBricks. They will create this entire setup and you will start capturing the leads just like this. Moving on towards the next step, whenever I receive a new lead, I want to send them a personalized mail. So in my action application, I'm going to select Gmail. In my action event, I'm going to select send email and then click on connect. So if you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, then click on this sign in with Google. Here you need to choose your Google account with which you have logged in your Gmail and you will be sending the mails. After that, you simply need to click on this allow to grant away the permission. Your data is completely saved with Pabbly Connect, so you can do this. Here, connection created successfully. Gmail is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I'm going to enter all these details. So the first one is sender name, which is a required field. In this sender name, I'm going to write real estate. And then we have the sender email address, the email address which we have selected while creating the connection. Now we need to enter this recipient email address. So we are not going to enter like this manually. Instead, we are going to use a method called mapping, which means we are going to enter the data from the previous response. I have received the response from this MagicBricks, and when I click on this field, I can see this MagicBricks. When I click on this, I can see all the response which I have received from there. I am going to map this email address, which is newlead@pabblytutor.com. The CC, BCC will remain blank. The reply to, I am not replying to anyone, so I'll keep this blank. In the email subject, I'll write. So here I have entered my email content, hi. I'm going to create a personalized email, so I'm going to map the name of the person, which is new lead. Thank you for showing interest in properties on MagicBricks. I'm Shubhamurthy from Real Estate Solution. I'd love to help you find perfect property that matches your requirement. Here's how you can assist. Share listing, arrange site visit, provide complete guidance. If you are ready, let's schedule a quick call. Book a time here. I have added a dummy link. Then looking forward to helping you. Best regards, my name, my company name, my phone number and my email address. So here I have added all the details. Now in the email content type, I'm going to select it as plain. In the label, I'm going to select it as inbox. Then if I scroll further, I'm not sending any file or the attachment, but if you are sending, please make sure that it does not exceed the given limit given over here. Over here, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make these fields static and the information will not change even when you receive the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any detail, this field will become static and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep these fields dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. After entering all these details, I'm simply going to execute this workflow and I'll click on the save and send test request. Let's wait for the response. And here I have received the response. This response is a positive one. I'm going to open my mailbox and check whether I have received any mail there or not. And here it is, just 0 minutes ago, I have received this mail. Hi new lead, thank you for showing interest in properties on MagicBricks. This is the same exact mail which we have added in our workflow and we have received the same mail. It was sent by this real estate to this new lead. We have added a dummy link. So this is a dummy link which I have added and then we have the rest of the details. And these are the same details which we have added. Now to summarize, we took MagicBricks as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect. We received the new lead and then we wanted to send the mail. So we took Gmail as an action application, made connection with Pabbly Connect, entered all the required details, mapped all the required details to send a personalized mail, executed this workflow and finally sent this mail. So this is how this automation workflow is going to run, and here we have successfully created automation between this MagicBricks and Gmail using Pabbly Connect. I have attached the link of this workflow in the description so that you can check this out and you can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting automation. I hope you liked this video and understood this video very well. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.